Today's topic is, what is a weighted blanket? A weighted blanket is usually heavy. It weighs between 4 and 30 pounds and is used as a therapeutic tool to reduce stress. These blankets stimulate deep pressure touch therapy, which is just the same as when people get hugged or held. The blanket can be made from different materials like cotton, bamboo, or flannel. The fill which gives weight to the blanket is usually micro glass beads. It can also be grains, same, or steel beads. Benefits of weighted blankets. Reduce anxiety. Weighted blankets help to reduce anxiety in both children and adults. They are typically safe to use. They have been proven to help people achieve a relaxed state, thereby allowing them to sleep more deeply. Number 1. Grounding. Weighted blankets help push your body down during sleep. This process is known as grounding or earthing. It has a deeply calming effect. The blankets also simulate deep pressure touch, which is a type of therapy that uses firm, hands-on pressure to reduce chronic stress and high levels of anxiety. Grounding also reduces nighttime levels of cortisol, which is a stress hormone. Stress escalates cortisol levels, which have a negative effect on the immune system. It also increases blood sugar levels and can affect the digestive tract. Elevated cortisol levels can lead to multiple complications like anxiety, depression, insomnia, and weight gain. Number 2. Pressure touch. Weighted blankets provide deep pressure touch, which promotes relaxation. It triggers the release of dopamine and serotonin, which are feel-good hormones produced in the brain. These hormones help combat anxiety, stress, and depression. Number 3. Sleep improvement. Because weighted blankets reduce stress and help calm you down, they may lead to improvements in the quality of your sleep. According to research, people who slept with weighted blankets reported better sleep and reduced insomnia. They also reported few feelings of depression, anxiety, and fatigue. In addition to insomnia, all the participants of the study either had major depressive disorder, bipolar disorder, GAD, or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. People with mild to moderate insomnia can use a weighted blanket for about 4 weeks to experience better sleep with less tossing and turning. How heavy should a weighted blanket be? Your doctor or healthcare professional will help you decide on the weighted blanket that will be most comfortable and efficient for you. Your weight will also help you determine the weight of your blanket. The general recommendation is to choose a blanket that is 10% of your body weight. Then you can add or subtract a pound or two, depending on your preference. It is also good to choose a blanket that is made from natural fiber, like breathable 100% cotton. Polyester and other synthetic fabrics are usually much hotter. Weighted blankets are not for everyone. Before using a weighted blanket, make sure you discuss it with your doctor. You should discuss if you have a chronic health condition, circulation issues, respiration issues, temperature regulation issues, or if you are going through menopause.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.